how to create a quiz on Tally.so. So to get started, go ahead and open Tally.so into your browser, sign into your account, and then click on this new form button at the top right of your screen to create a new form. So once you click on this will take you into this tab. So in here, go ahead and click on this use a template button. If you want to create a quiz from a template, you can also create it from scratch. So from here, head over into the personal tab since you'll basically find most of the quiz templates here. So go ahead and select from this templates and then click on the template that you want to use for your quiz. So after that, click on this use this template button at the top right once you're satisfied on how this looks like. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and customize the question with the questions that you have along with the answers of the answers that you have for your quiz. So basically, you can tailor fit this quiz on how your quiz will look like. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on the publish button at the top right of your screen to publish this quiz and make it accessible to your target audience. So once you have published it, you'll be able to find the shareable link which you can share to anyone who you want to answer this quiz. So that is how you can basically create a quiz on Tally.so. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.